I'm here to bring joy. It's autumn joy. From my poem, again, it's very brief, but it's called Nourish. Each day, each and every one of you took part in a great adventure. It lasted from May to September. Now you've got to let it go and embrace a new beginning. No more the sun of a new day, listening to birds twitter away. You've now to accept the end of this life. You have a new journey to accomplish. You are placed on this forest floor to protect the new, as once you were protected too. Feed them, nourish them, help them in their journey.